guess is we ain't gonna see one tonight. Well, and I'm just pointing out to you that you decide you want to try to decide for a big one, I think you can get a bigger one.
I'd like to get a bigger one, to be honest.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you a bit.
I wouldn't mind having some pictures of this one, but
I got a good video where I film.
Forrest, what are you doing? Take pictures with your phone?
Videoing it.
You know, we could tape his jaws just about right now. Well, we had that little rope. You still got that little rope? You know, that little rope, we could just throw a loop around his jaws. And once we got his jaws looped, then we can tape him.
Sure.
Your dad and Taylor hold him up there.
Don, I'll do it. Taylor, get your butt down here and hold this thing.
All right, let me see.
Right here's the place to be. He's about wore down. Get him up there sort of like that and slip that loop over his jaws. Tommy, do you have any tape in your pocket?
Well, I got it in that black bag right here.
I've got some right here.
I was thinking something like that. What I was thinking.
There you go. Yeah, sorry on that didn't work out too there in the way. Sure.
Tape on him right
I'm coming. Can't find the end of the darn tape.
Come on, Dad.
He's a pretty joker, Taylor.
He is a pretty little gator. Just leave it alone. Now, what do we need to do next? Tie up his legs?
Yeah, we get him in here, that joker be thrashing around now, Les.
Yeah, that's what I say. We need to tie up his legs first, don't we?
I'm just wondering what it's going to be like. We've never had him in the boat like this.
Not
Joker's going to be,
No, I don't mean put him in the boat. I mean, you put a loop on one foot.
okay?
Almighty.
Dang, that's worse than me. Shoot. That's worse than me after football practice.
Put a loop on one foot, run it across his back, loop it and tie it to his other foot and cinch his legs up over his back
Okay.
to where he can't walk. And then pull him up, get his back legs, do the same thing.
I know, but even after you get him like that and put him in the boat, that tail's still
He can
gonna
still
be,
thrash with his tail,
Yeah.
you're right.
Dang.
I'm just saying, Taylor, if you know you don't want to harness this gator, we can.
how bad
I mean, I'd like to get some pictures of him, but I just don't know that we want to risk putting him in the boat like that. He ain't gonna, it ain't
He ain't, don't worry about the gator. The gator's fine. If you can get a hold to his jaws and just lift him straight up, let me see what kind of picture I can get.
turned over, but he acts like he won't start that twisting mess when he doing it.
He's trying to twist.
Oh, that's pretty good. Turn off light for us. Oh, that looks pretty good too.
Turn back on.
Get another, just hold on to him. Far enough. He's almost got a good idea. That's probably not a good idea.
His feet are in. What are you
Yes,
doing?
yeah.
Okay, Forrest, turn the light back on. Yeah, in fact, I think he's fixing to come in.
You know what?
Joker's pretty, Taylor.
Taylor, get on the other side of your daddy. Can you do that without
Come around here.
just
See
There
you
you go.
squat out and see Les and get you the picture.
Oh, gosh.
there you go. Right there.
The light off.
Light, Forrest. no doubt what we've done.
You gotta mess up on them.
There ain't nobody's gonna look at them pictures and think you didn't get a gator. I can promise you that. National Geographic probably ain't gonna want them, but other than that, I think we're okay. You want to call them, see if they want this gator?
I wonder if Tony got his phone.
I ain't got Tony's number, I don't think.